here's a story. Oh, when I was fishing, then this got bite this one, and then Dad had bite this one, then another bite this one, then the last bite that one.
Did you catch all 3 of them?
Is this the one that Dennis caught?
Yes, it is.
Are these 2 small ones that Dennis caught?
No, he only caught one.
Did you catch these 3?
Gregory caught this big one.
Yeah.
And these 2.
Yeah.
You're in first place, buddy. Boom!
Yeah.
I'm touching his walleye. I'm looking in his mouth.
Hold it up for Mom.
So tell me the story about how you reeled that in.
Yeah. When Dad got a bite, I reeled it slow enough, and the fish did not get away. And then we had a couple that got away.
How many?
I don't know. Then the walleye gets its name because of its eye.
Yep.
Because it's...
Am I right?
Help!
Its eye
Help!
resembles to a wall.
Help! Help!
What's
Help!
wrong?
No!
Is he eating your shirt?
Stop it! You mean walleye! You're a meanie.
Did you have fun, Gregory?
Yeah.
What kind of fishing was it?
Blade bait fishing, oh yeah!